Hey everyone, welcome, Tolik here. You basically get a video, if you see it in YouTube, so you get a video how to buy apps in Flippa and you wonder yourself, hey, this guy going to teach us how to buy apps? So first of all, yes, but not in this video. You have a link in the description, but basically I explain like 20 minutes what do you need to avoid when you buy apps in Flippa. So you can go to this video, but this video basically it's for the buyers of our apps in Flippa and know little about me and my company. And second, get a package where they really can learn how to start the app business. Not like can learn, I can make millions. It's mean not waste your time and money and simply start to make the right things. It's not promise you 100% succeed because it depends totally on your skills in the end of the day. But it's promise you to not waste money and try things that not really work. And some of you that already maybe buy apps, they're looking for the golden app from Flippa. Hey, it's not going to happen. Nobody sell golden apps in Flippa. People not sell things that give them money on monthly basis. I mean they sell, but if you're going to sell app in Flippa, let's say make me $300 per month, I'm going to say it in $5,000. I'm not going to say it in $600. I also not going to say it in $1,000. You have like rules in the app business that you sell apps. It's around 14 to 20 more than the monthly revenue. It's if we talk very simple app. If we talk about big apps, so it can be also millions. So a little about me. My name is Tolik .eidelman. I am owner of AskTolik in the last 5 years. I already in that business like 5-6 years. I make thousands of apps. I start like a reskinner long time ago without any knowledge. I never code, maybe like you. I also supersell in Flippa because I sell apps long time ago, and this project start again because I have somebody in my team who really skilled for it, and he going to also support you, and you're going to talk with him in the beginning. And you have some article and sell my app about how I make 1,000 downloads in 1 month. It basically was my best succeed ever, and it was very lucky. But from this time, I make many different things. Now this, what you see here, you see, wow, fuck, $23,000 per month. Yeah, per month, you see it right. So yes, it's one of my apps. And you see, hey, why this guy sell apps in Flippa if he makes so much money? So first of all, I don't tell you how much percentage I have. I will tell you because you don't see the app. I have 33% in this app. It's not the only app, of course, I have. It's one of them. And yes, it's make basically this app make basically the biggest app in my business today. But this app is brand from reskinning apps. I not show it because I don't want everybody go in and see, and it only can make problems. But I show it to show you what possible to do with reskinning apps if you make it high quality, and to show you what you're not going to get in the beginning. Okay, you're not going to get it for sure. You're not going to get it from the app you buy, and you're not going to get also in the next year from one app or few apps, because you need the knowledge, you need some experience, you need to get some way to get it. Maybe you will get it with luck, but it's not mean nothing. With luck, you also can win a lottery. Okay, so what you're more going to get is this one, and here I can show you the app. This app make around $300 per month. You will see it with maybe already 10,000 downloads and more in last few months. And you can look why it's get traffic. If you click dropshipping, if you click e-commerce, if you click online business, you will see we are in the top. It's already get like 120 downloads, I think, per day organically, simply because we know how to optimize it. We make on these few tests and we improve it. And yes, it's what it's made today. You can look on it. You can go Google Play and look on it and see what I'm talking about. And you can see it even when the app uploaded not long time ago. Today it's May 2019. So it's basically your goal with the apps you're going to make, and it's totally possible. It's totally possible to make few $100 per month from reskinning apps even today. But not every app going to make it. Some apps going to make you $100, some are going to make you $50 per month, some are going to make you $100. Most of them no, but you build a business, you build some you build some system. Today, build the system very hard in iOS. Mostly you can make it in Android, iOS, not like reskinners, but you can reskin iOS. It's not like you can't, you can, but make it a smart way with quality apps and not too many apps, because you're going to get notification spam. Okay, you have a few options in Flippa. One of them is place a bid and win the auction. One of them buy now. So buy now package have different exclusive offers, and make a bid, you simply get the app. So what the basic package basically include? Basic package include app transfer through full source code and graphics, and basic support. But the buy now package include everything for package regular, of course, to give you the app what you buy. It's not some bonus, you simply buy it. 1 hour training with me value $250. It's really the value, yeah. It's what I get with it's what I charge from companies simply for the knowledge I have today in the app business. It's much more when you're skinning apps. Let's talk more about marketing. It's also things that you can ask me and I can answer you everything what you need to buy traffic, user acquisition. It's less relevant for you like a beginner because you don't going to spend a lot of money on ads. But yes, it's relevant for the long term. Today, without buy traffic, very hard to succeed. Full app transfer and update your ads. Yes, it costs money to update your ads, and it costs money for developer. For you, like a beginner, it can even cost like $100. We make it for free for you. We will help you to open the ads in IDs in AdMob. You will have maybe guide even how to make it alone. If not, we're going to help you. Access to our development team in Pakistan, value unlimited, because it gives you option to make everything what you want. Free access to my next course, which is going to be ready in July 2019. So maybe if you see this video after July 2019, it's ready. I guess it's ready. The value is like $800. Is what's going to be sold for our clients. Clients Facebook group support. You can ask everything what you want. Okay. You can read again. I have many testimonials. It was one of them. I take some screenshots. Was relevant. It's some buyer from Flippa with buy app. The buyer promised here many things. Of course, nothing was relevant. I help here get refund from the buyer because he afraid that his Flippa account going to be closed. She get back few $1,000s, I think, and it was amazing. You have one more testimony. Of course, they're real. People not write something like this in no reason, and it's what I try to tell you. Everything what I tell you is the truth. You also will see in my call with me. I only give the truth. Even the truth is look not nice. It's true. Okay, it's something from my experience. You're going to make good money from apps, only if you have knowledge how to make it, or only if you make a system. And also in some point you're going to make like me. It will take time, but you will have enough knowledge. You can partner with developers with very good games and work with them like a marketer. But it's something you can choose to do or not. To balance your business is critical. It's something that we can talk about in our call. It's going to be very interesting to make call with each one of you, because each one of you come from different background. So it's very cool. So if you have questions, you can write in the comments. If you see it in YouTube, in the comments. If you see the video in YouTube, you can go to Flippa profile and see what now listing, and you can choose what you want to buy. We have few type of apps that we sell. The app is not what you buy. The app may be worth like few $100s from what you buy. Most of what you buy is knowledge and access to our system. And this is our way to sell it. We sell it also from different tools. One of the tools in Flippa. Yeah, one of the tools in Flippa. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your watching. And you can look AskTolik in the internet, see what people write. You can go to our site. And see you. Bye bye.